What is it that makes you feel inspired and alive? What is it that you want? That is your goal. Goals are produced by dopamine in the deep part of our brain. Let's call it the goal factory. Goal factories can be great. They can produce us the good kind of goals that improve our well-being. But here comes the problem. Some of us do not get the good goals. Let me tell you about it. How would you get up in the morning if you saw no reason to do so, if you didn't have any goals? Depression is so common and it causes major burden to individuals, close ones, societies all throughout the world, not the least in Finland. And how would you cope if you could not stop pursuing your goal, even if you wanted to, even if you knew that it causes pain to you and your loved ones? Addictions are another cause of great human suffering. And all of this suffering because of goals that went missing or goals that were too powerful. We cannot leave it like this. We all deserve a goal factory that works well. For that, we need to understand how the goal factories actually work. And that is my mission. So what do we know? We know that the fuel running the goal factory is dopamine. But dopamine itself is not enough. If we want any fuel to work, we need to pump it into an engine. Likewise, dopamine needs to be pumped into our brain's dopamine engines, also called as receptors, in order to get the goal party started. I believe that the number of engines counts. That's why I'm counting them in hundreds of people's brains using brain imaging. The results show that as we get older, we lose some of our available engines. Women have more than men. But what does it mean for mental health? To explore that, we need to investigate the engines of those with mental illness, such as depression or addiction. And that's what I will do next. For mental health, prevention is the key. Acting before the problems start is the golden route to take. That's why I will explore if the number of engines can tell who will get depressed or addicted in the future. With this knowledge, we are one step closer to the world where none of us have to suffer from addictive goals nor the lack of goals. Thank you.